If you're a home buyer, this video will help you in two ways. First, it will help you get a clear idea of what to expect from yourself and from your realtor. It will help you avoid costly mistakes that many buyers make without knowing. What do all buyers want? Well, every buyer has a different need and different perspective towards what they need, but they all have one thing in common. They have a lifestyle in mind that they want to achieve. Whether you're a family, an investor, a newcomer, or a first-time home buyer, you're looking to create a lifestyle that you see yourself living in. This could mean more bedrooms, a detached home, an income property, and so on. So buying a home is a lot like finding a lifestyle that matches your preferences and your budget. This goes in 3 steps. It begins by having the thoughts first and the vision of what you want, then deciding to take action, like speaking with a mortgage broker, a realtor, and visiting properties. After that comes the success part, from finding the right property, making an offer, and having a successful purchase. There is a big difference between making a purchase, which you might regret later, and making a successful purchase where you would be proud of. That's why it's important and essential to start the consultation, not in the last steps, but in the thought process. Here's a common mistakes, and I hear this all the time, that we are just thinking. Many buyers think that they need to find a realtor when they're ready to take action. But the right time is the thinking stage, because a professional should help you shape those goals and thoughts and show you options that you may not be aware of. They could help you think outside the box, because this is what they do for a living, and they can connect you with the right people to prevent costly mistakes. The goal is to get you as close as possible to your vision, and each person's vision could be very different. If your vision isn't entirely clear yet, don't worry, you're not the only one. Not everybody knows exactly where they see themselves. You can start by thinking about where you want to be in the next 3 to 5 years and write down the top 3 things that you see in that lifestyle, and make sure to share them with me. I've made a video explaining the difference between a good agent and a great agent. This will help you make an informed decision, and you can find this video on my playlist. The reason that's important is because they need to have your best interests at heart, and they need to have the experience in order to guide you properly through the process, so when they give you advice, it's an advice that you can bank on. And when you work with a realtor, make sure that they know their areas of expertise. And if they don't, you should consider whether you want to work with someone who isn't sure about what they're selling. For instance, my expertise lies in helping families and hardworking professionals to invest in real estate and build wealth to secure their future. The reason why is that real estate has had a huge impact on my life, both personal and financial. It's helped me understand money, the ups and downs of the market, and most importantly, it's changed my life and relationship with money. So I strive to do the same for my clients. When you're buying a property, the commission and all the fees for both buyers and sellers realtor are paid by the sellers. So it makes sense to take advantage of this service and work with someone who can provide you with the higher level advice and truly understand the market. You can save you both time and money by working with a professional. I genuinely believe that everyone deserves to live their best life, especially in times when homeownership is becoming more and more challenging every year for many people. This is a time where we need to support each other in every single way and help each other grow. I'm here for all your real estate questions and needs. See you soon.